Oh, why me? I never saw it coming. I'm gutted. I don't know what to do. These are the exact words I hear every single week from professionals just like you. Talented people, dedicated people, people who thought their performance would protect them. Let me be brutally honest with you. How secure do you feel in your job right now? That comfortable full time position, it's temporary. Your employer's loyalty extends precisely as far as their decision to scale back due to the foreseeable global economic turndown. I'm Martin Buckland, a global executive career management practitioner with over 30 years' experience. And what I'm seeing in today's job market should be a wake up call for business professionals who aren't actively managing their own career destiny. In Toronto alone, while normally 1,550 people lose their jobs weekly in good economic times, over 12,000 have been let go in just the last 2 weeks, and I know that number will double very shortly. These aren't just statistics; these are careers derailed. Real successful business professionals like you, families are thrown into chaos. And the most devastating part, almost everyone says the same thing. I never saw it coming. Yes, I never saw it coming. I have a client right now, a senior vice president in a US bank, who was terminated last Monday. Now he's panicking because his resume hasn't been updated in years. His LinkedIn profile is essentially empty, zero signs of activity. His professional network hasn't been activated for a long time, and his skills have quietly become outdated. All of this could have been prevented if he recognized one fundamental truth. Your career is your responsibility, not your employers, not your managers. It's yours. The global employment landscape has fundamentally changed in the last few weeks due to the geopolitical situation complicated by tariffs. Recruitment is for sure slowing. Skills become obsolete in 2 to 5 years. Layoffs are no longer a last resort, but a standard procedure for boosting quarterly numbers. Join me for a candid 45-minute LinkedIn Live, The Harsh Truth. Your career is at risk this Saturday, May the 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern, where I will reveal the tough truths about today's employment landscape that nobody wants to talk about. And most importantly, I will give you a concrete action plan to snatch control of your career destiny, starting today, not the day after you're let go. This won't be a comfortable 45 minutes, but I promise you it will be the most important 45 minutes you invest in your career this year, because the best time to prepare for career disruption was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. To register for this LinkedIn Live, go to LinkedIn on the events page, and the harsh truth, your career is at risk. See you at 10 a.m. Eastern Time this Saturday, May the 10th. Do yourself a favor, start managing your career now and register for this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, for this seminar.